Hey, it's Annie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a look using all the products that I got into, except for one, and we'll talk about that at the end, that I got in the Charlotte Tilbury advent calendar back there. There's going to be some other things added to it because it's not enough to do a full face, but I'm going to go ahead and use everything and we're going to talk about it, okay? So I'm going to pull my hair back because people will lose their minds. Hopefully this is good enough for you. Hope this is good. Okay. All right. And I'm finally getting my hair trimmed tomorrow. Thank the Lord. I do want it longer though, so. You think I'm going to get my hair cut short? You're wrong. I'm going to wear it long. Okay, so before I get to my foundation, which it doesn't come with foundation, and I'm going to do foundation. I could just do a spot conceal, but I think I did that in the other video, but I'm not going to today. Today I'm going to do a foundation, okay? So before I do that, though, we're going to do this. This is the Wonder Glow, and we're going to apply this first. Now, what she says to do, or that's what it says online. Boy, you get a lot of product in here, honestly. You're not going to use much because it says it's a primer, but this isn't a primer that you're going to, it's not going to make your foundation stay on better or anything like that. It's just going to give it more of a glow. So I feel like this is something that's better for dry skin, not so much oily skin. By the way, that's one of the complaints I feel like I have with her foundations because I have tried them all. I've tried every single one of them and I don't like any of them because I just feel like on my oily skin they don't work. I'm going to go in with a Patrick Ta here. I love this. I freaking love it. And you don't have to use a lot. Like, I don't use a lot. I don't feel like I really need to use a lot of foundation because my skin looks good. So, I'm not really, I mean, I could get away with not using a foundation and just use a concealer, but we're going to do this today. So the next thing that I'm going to do, because again, this wasn't in the kit, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use a bronzer and a highlighter. That's why I said this is like, I don't think it's worth it. I'm going to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Film Star bronzer. And I'm going to go ahead and apply this. I probably should have put my powder on. I don't know why I forget to do that sometimes when I'm on camera. Let me take my Charlotte Tilbury setting powder. This is a new one. I got this a while ago. And, oh, maybe that was the one I was just looking for. Oh my goodness. And I'm going to... We're going to go in and use the spotlight because this is what came with it. So put this spotlight and I'm just going to take my fingers and tap it out like that and do the same thing over here. Okay, like that, like so. All right. It did not come with a blush. You know, another thing could have came with, like the Pink Gasm or Peach Gasm, okay? That's a highlighter blush hybrid, you know? I know, there's just so many things that I wish would have been in this kit. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to use the color Ecstasy. I've had this for a while. This is lasting me a long time. Which is good. It should, right? Applying at the top part of my cheeks. I'm going to do a little bit more. This, because this is the only color that, you know, this is it. Instead of a palette, we have this. So this is in the, I'm going to tell you, everything will be listed below. So if you want to check it out separately, okay, I'm going to have everything listed below. And this is in the color Golden Quartz, and it says it's for hazel eyes. So if you have brown eyes, I don't know if that's going to work for you. Okay, like why are we, I don't know. And we're going to make this a smoky eye, by the way, too, because that's how Charlotte does it. Does a lot of smoky eyes. Kind of like what she's known for, I feel like, as far as her style of makeup, you know. I do like her cream shadows. This is the first time using one of these. But would have been nice if she had 3 different options if she's going to put these in there. Taking the same pencil, and I'm going to go underneath my lower lash line. And then we are going to blend it out. I'm going to take my BK Beauty smudger brush and blend that. It blends out very, very nicely. Now I'm going to go in, I'm going to take my brown, Barbara Brown. Now the other thing about this set is you don't get everything full size. The only thing that is full size is the lipstick. Because the pencil is half size, the lip liner is half size, the setting spray is mini size, like everything is mini size, okay? You don't get anything. And I guess I should have said, this is the other thing that's full size. So I'm going to go ahead and use this. Actually, let me do this first. I'm going to take this Barbara Brown, and I'm going to go right on my lash line. I am going to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Brow Cheat. Now, I've had this for a while. It's not my favorite. I'm going to show you why. There's another one, but it broke on me, so I don't know if I want to repurchase. The one that I usually use is this. This is from Tom Ford. See how this is like angled and everything? So it just makes doing my brows really easy, okay? This is very small. Do you see that? So that's why I prefer the other one. But we're going to do this because I am not going to use the Legendary Brow today. I'm going to just use the brow gel, but I need to go in here. Gotta push this up a little bit, and I'm going to start to like draw hairs in, but this doesn't really draw hairs in to me. It just looks like a blob, okay? So basically all I'm trying to do, I see some people do the brow hairs, but like this, I don't know. I think you have to use one that's really, really sharp and good. You can't sharpen this one. So it just ends up looking like a blob, in my opinion. So now I'm just going to use this for now, instead of going in with my Chanel. If I need to, I'll blend it out a little bit more. If you've been following me, you know what I'm talking about. I have a brush from Chanel. It's a brow brush that I like to use. Boy, when I say this every time I do this, I always see the hairs after I do this. The Brow Fix, which comes with that, I'm going to go ahead and put that on. So you're not going to get color with this. You're just going to get, you know, it's just going to kind of help hold your brows up. Where the Legendary Brows has a little tint to it. So, see the difference between the two? That's why it's so important to do your brows gel on this as well. I'm going in with the Push Up Lashes mascara. So when I first tried this, I did not like it at all. But I used this the other day, and I was like, it's actually not bad. I don't know that it's one that I go and run out and buy, but I don't dislike it as much as I did the first time I tried it. Like I said, my lashes are a lot better now. One thing I did notice though when I wore it, it seemed to be flaking on me, so that's probably the only negative things. Flaking, but I didn't notice it transferring, at least the one time that I wore it, because I haven't. It's the second time I'm wearing it now. All right. So now I'm going to go in with Hot Gossip lip liner. What came with that? I love her lip liners. So now I'm going to go in with Catwalking lipstick and apply it. Now that's pretty, but I feel like I need something else, okay? But I wanted you to see this first. I'm going to go in with Kim KW. And I'm going to put some right here. Just kind of like in the center. Then I'm going to go in and I'm going to take this. This is from Tom Ford, and this is in the Buff, I believe. In the Buff lip gloss. It's a nice nude color. Let's take my hair down. Brush it out a little bit. Yeah. That's why I said I don't think that is worth it. I think it's cute. You're going to see, I've seen so many people like, oh, it's really cute. It is. I love the packaging on it. I think it's amazing, but you're not, like, I should be able to do a full look with what's in there. You're just getting samples. You're getting samples. I don't, people are like, it's valued at this. It's like, really? Is it really valued at that? Really? Really? No, I don't believe you. Okay. I don't believe you. I don't think so. I think it's cute. I'm glad that I have it. You guys know I'm glad that I have it because I like it as my background because I just think it's something pretty to look at. I know that I will use it as a jewelry box thingy, whatever. But I mean, I'm putting my stuff away. I hope that's not annoying. I'm a Virgo and I don't like a mess, okay? But the thing is, it's not worth it, you guys. It's not worth it with what you're getting in there. I think this is a nice look. Is it amazing? No. But I use a lot of my own stuff to get this look. I didn't have enough of a kit to do it. So, anyways, I just wanted to show you what it looked like. So if you like any of this, you don't have to get that. Like if you like the eye color, then just go get the eye color. If you like the lip color, get the lip color. But you do not have to go out and spend money on that because I do not think that is worth it, in my opinion. So don't be persuaded when you see people lose their minds because I think it is worth it. I'm bringing you down to earth and telling you that no. I'm the friend that's telling you no. And this, why was this even in here? I said that before. Like, why? What is the setting spray for? There's no foundation in there. What am I setting? The eyeshadow? I've seen, yeah, don't even get me started on that video with people putting the eyeshadow on there and going like this, look, ooh. Like, come on, stop it. Stop it. You don't need to use this for your eyeshadow. In fact, when I use a setting spray, I like to do it before I do my eyeshadow because otherwise I will go transfer from it. So anyways, I'm the friend that's going to keep it real, okay? You don't need it. No, you don't need it. If you like any of the stuff that I'm wearing, you can get that, but don't get that, okay? Don't get that. So that's where I'm going to leave it. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys all in my next one. Bye.